Hey, check out our rechargeable folding LED work light and power bank. So let's check it out. First off, it has 3 light settings. This high, medium, and you've got disco mode. Woo, yeah! It has 800 lumens at its maximal setting, 400 milliamp hour battery, so it actually works as a battery bank as well. That's right, so if you need to charge your small devices, plug them in, look out, you've got a battery bank as well. And runtime, this thing can outrun Sonic the Hedgehog. 10 hours runtime, you absolute ripper. We have a built-in N52 magnet. And what's that mean? It means it's a bloody good magnet. That's what it means. Check this out. You absolute beauty. Now check out this. Under the little waterproof dust cover, what we've got is our 2 USB ports. So one for charging and one's for the battery bank. And we also have a little LED display to show you what it's doing. So there we have it. You've got an indication of how your battery's going and where the level is and when it's charging. So there we have it, the KickAss LED work light and power bank. 3 modes, you absolute ripper. Also be able to charge your smaller devices like your phones on the go with the magnet that'll pick up and stick to just about anything that's made of metal, and the USB charging cable that's included. So head over to our website or head in store and grab one today. You absolute beauty.